What's up, my Royal Flush? It is RJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and doing first impressions of Physicians Formula Butter Collection, which is their entire butter collection. And I bought this once it dropped. I bought it because I love these so much. I love their butter highlighters and their butter bronzers, and now I love their butter blushes after testing out this collection. So if you guys want to see me test out this Physicians Formula collection, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Royal Flush, the Royal Family, the Royal Court, girl. And also don't forget to hit the gray bell notification button that appears right after that, and click all, because I know some people that say that, you know, they have the bell pushed, but it doesn't say all. So make sure you said it says all, and you'll get all of my notifications. Also, at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, if you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed the butter collection from Physicians Formula, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Do this, baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Hey guys, so I'm going to go in with the product. I already did my eyes. I used the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. If you would like to see that review on that palette, you could just hit the eye up here just to watch it. So I'm going to finish my base, and I'll come right back to get started on my face. Period. Rhymes. guys, so I did my whole base and I'm back. So I'm going to move right along into the bronzers, and I think I'm going to go in with Sculpt right here just to contour my face. And yeah, and I'm going to take that on a, let's see what the hell this is, a Morphe M143 brush. So I'm going to take a little bit of Sculpt, tap out the excess, of course, and just use that just to contour my face. Okay, that looks really, really cute. And I already contoured my nose and everything too, so I don't really want to go through all that. So next I'm going to be taking the shade Deep Bronzer, which is right here. And this shade right here is like my bronzer shade. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just use that to warm up my skin. And it has a slight sheen to it too. So it's really, really pretty. Y'all, making YouTube videos is so hard. I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, trying to balance a life, like a job, and then your friends, and then YouTube is hard. Okay, so that looks really, really pretty. I'm going to dust all this back off. Okay, we looking really, really snatched, y'all. Ooh, like, I'm looking really good. So now I'm going to be I'm going to slide this over. Oh, no, wrong one. I'm going to be sliding the eyeshadow section over. By the way, I didn't use the eyeshadows in this. I'm just focusing it on complexion today, y'all. And I'm going to be taking their blushes, which is right here. I'm going to take these 3 blushes right here and just focus them right here. I tried to film this video yesterday. It was not turning out cute at all. I don't know why. And I didn't even do eyeshadow yesterday, and it was still bad. And I was just focusing on my base. You seem anxious, you seem adamant. I'm gonna take a little MAC Fix Plus. Just a little Too Faced. Now I'm going to be taking their butter highlighters, which is right here, which are amazing. I love their butter highlighters. Some of the best highlighters ever. And I'm going to be taking them on a brush. I'm going to be taking these 2 shades right here. And just, I really like intense highlighters right here. I don't know why. I'm starting to just like my intense highlighters over here. And then, y'all go see. And then I take my blush brush and just diffuse that highlighter just a tad bit. This is my secret highlighting trick, y'all. On a bigger fluffy brush like this, I take Diamond Balm. Y'all should already know I love Diamond Balm. And I take it right on my cheeks, just like this. This is my secret. Now this is not for the lighthearted. This is for the people that love that intense glow like me. And yes, I can put highlighter on my cheeks, cause I don't really have big pores like that on my cheeks anymore. They used to be there. Okay guys, so I pretty much used all of the products that came in this little compact except for the lip product. I'm not really going to try out the lip product because I mean, they're just like lip creams. That's all they really are. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with my complete face done to give y'all the final rundown of each section of this whole collection. Okay guys, so that concludes the today's video on the Physicians Formula Ultra Butter Collection. So starting off with the bronzers, you should already know that the Butter Bronzer is literally one of my favorite bronzers. It's literally up there. It's literally up there with my Lip Bar bronzer. I literally love their butter bronzers, and now I have a full collection of them. They're just buttery, they're just nice, they blend out so easily, as you can see on my face. I use their the Sculpt to y'all watch the video, dang, y'all watch the video. Y'all know I use the darkest one to sculpt on my cheeks, and just my regular one to just bronze up my cheeks, and it looks really, really good. It's really, really cute. So moving on to the blushes, y'all can see the nice flush of color that is the blush from this collection. Their blushes, like, I don't think they have any mattes. I think 3 of them are matte and 4 of them are shimmer. And I just mixed all 3 of these down here, so 2 of them are shimmer out of the 3, but they're such pretty colors, so that's why I chose them. And they blend it out exactly like the bronzers, buttery, blendable, and pigmented. I did not use the eyeshadow today. I used the Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palette, the Moonspell palette, but I want to use this one day. Maybe my next look I'm going to use this palette. But yeah, the highlighters, of course, the highlighters are so nice, so buttery. If y'all have not had one of these highlighters before, y'all should definitely get them. They're amazing. They're I would say like one of the most creamiest highlighters I've ever touched. And that's saying a lot because I've touched a few highlighters in my day. And these are really good. I took these shades right here and I mixed them together just to put them right here. But the rest of that glow is just my Fenty. But right here is the highlighter right there. And it's so pretty, as you can see. It blended out amazingly as well. Oh, they even have shades names on the back. I did not even see that. So my final rundown of all these products. Should you buy them? Shouldn't you buy them? Once again, it is up to you. If you've ever tried, at least try their single bronzer, blush highlighters. Like they come in singles as well. At least try those. If you've tried at least their bronzer or their highlighter, you'll know that you'll fall in love with the whole collection pretty much, because they're all pretty much the same formula that is, and it's so good and it's really cute. I feel like this will be really good for a working makeup artist because you have everything in here. Like you have highlighters, you have an eyeshadow palette, you have blushes and lipsticks all together in one little set. And I feel like it'll be really cute for a traveling makeup artist. So I would say definitely pick this up if you guys have the money, if you guys have the coin. They do accept Afterpay. That's how I pay for this shit, because other than that I couldn't pay for this shit. But so yeah, I really enjoyed this. Okay you guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video on the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. If you guys did like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. With that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.